This is the black screen I'm getting. Like, I can't do anything. We're gonna be cooking Christmas dinner at our house this year. Hey y'all, so I am getting ready to go to the mall. It is almost 6:30 in the afternoon. It is dark outside. Well, it's getting dark outside. But I need to go to the Apple store to get my phone looked at, y'all. I updated to the 18, well, I didn't update. My phone automatically updated to the 18.1. And my phone started freezing a lot after that. I couldn't get on some of my apps. Like, it was just a mess. So I went to the software thing and I saw that there was an update for 18.2. So I said, okay, let me try to update my phone. It wouldn't even update, y'all. Like, it kept freezing every time I clicked update now. I said, okay, so I'm gonna have to hook it up to my computer to see if it'll update. So I plugged it up to my computer. I got the iTunes pulled up. It gave me some issues at first when I plugged it in, but then eventually it connected and I was able to download. Oh, she's playing with this. She's playing with this little door thing right there. But yeah, so I was able to download the 18.2 from my computer. I did that. It went through. Turned my phone back on, black screen, nothing else, just a black screen. At that point, I was kind of frustrated. Like, I said, let me just stop. I called Apple support. They did some like troubleshooting stuff. And they said, yeah, you need to go to an Apple store, get your phone looked at. We could try to restore it, but if it didn't, I don't even know if my stuff is on iCloud, y'all. Like, I don't even know if my stuff's saved to iCloud. But she said just take it to the Apple store, see if they can run some diagnostics on it and just see, just see from there before we restore it and, you remove everything off your phone. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It went out yesterday, by the way. It went out yesterday. So today I'm going. So this was the only time they had an appointment. They were all booked up yesterday. So I had to go today. But let me show y'all what my phone actually looks like. Got it in my purse. So I'm just gonna get ready to go. But this is what it looks like, y'all. So it has this still update. Like, you can see the time and the Wi-Fi and stuff at the top, but this is the black screen I'm getting. Like, I can't do anything. My alarm went off this morning. But that was it. I could shut off my alarm and everything, but after that it just went back to this screen. So I'm gonna let them look at it. Hopefully they are able to do something about it and I don't have to restart my phone over, y'all. I really don't know when is the last time I backed up my phone, so that's going to be devastating. But I spent today transferring all of Trinity's pictures off my phone to a flash drive just in case. So I was able to hook up my phone, pull pictures off of it. So my iPad also is doing the same thing that my iPhone was doing at first. It's starting to freeze up. It's not letting me get on some of the apps. So I'm gonna let them look at that too. Even though I didn't put an appointment down for the iPad, I'm still see if they can look at it. So big bag right here. So I can put my iPad in it. So I'm gonna let them look at that. Bay and Tran is gonna stay here at the house while I go because I'm going to the mall and there's no point of, her and him going. So I'm about to head out. And I'll just keep you guys updated with what happens.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Hey y'all, so it's a few days later. The last thing we were speaking about was the whole ordeal with my phone and me having to take it to Apple and getting it worked on. So they was able to fix it, but they had to reset the whole phone. Like, we had to do a whole factory reset because the black screen just wouldn't come off. They did do a little test on it, but it didn't help. So We did have to factory reset it, and they also had to look at my iPad because my iPad was starting to do the same thing that my phone was doing, like acting slow and wouldn't let me download certain apps and wouldn't let me get onto certain apps. So they also just went ahead and updated it to the 10.2 because I said I was scared to do it. I was scared to do it when I was at home, like hook it up to my computer, because I was afraid it was going to do the same thing that my phone did, which was black out. So he hooked it up to the Apple laptop and he did the update on my iPad. But we did have to factory reset my whole phone. I did lose everything I had on that phone because it did not back up, but my iCloud did back up most of my pictures. So like all the pictures of Trinity up until she was 8 months. But I'm glad that I went ahead and loaded her pictures to a flash drive. So like her 9-month pictures and some of the videos we took are gone, but I do have them on that flash drive, which I'm glad about. But anyways, we did get that situated, so I'm happy about that. I didn't have to go and buy a whole new phone. I'm just glad I didn't have to leave it overnight or anything. They were able to fix it right then and there. But right now I am about to get my nails done, y'all. It is nail day. I gotta get these nails off. As y'all can see, they're like, it's time. I think I'm gonna just get a whole new set though. I need these way shorter. I know they can cut them, but I just feel like I just need a whole new, you know, a whole new set. Like, I don't know, y'all ever get like that to where you feel like you got fillings so many times that you just feel like you need a fresh new set, or is that just me? I don't know. But we're just gonna do a white tip. We're just gonna do a white tip, white French tip. We're gonna keep the shape because I really been liking this shape lately. So we're gonna keep that, but I am gonna do a color change. And I just want a whole new set. Like, I just feel like, I don't know, my nail have grown so much up under it and I don't want it to break. So I just feel like I need to get these off and, you know, just get a whole new set on. Bae did go out this morning. He got me some Starbucks coffee, y'all. I was so tired. This is just a hot caramel macchiato. That's it. Nothing extra added. Just a hot caramel macchiato. Your girl was super tired this morning. I didn't go to sleep until about 12 last night, and that's because I just wasn't tired. Like, I don't know what it was. Like, I was just up and just alert. Like, I was not tired at all. Trinity went to bed at like 8. So she stayed asleep until she woke up when I was about to get ready to go to sleep. She woke up at 12 because she didn't really eat as much before she went to sleep at 8. So she woke up at 12. I gave her a bottle and then she went right back to sleep and didn't wake up again until 8 o'clock this morning. But after I get my nails done, I am going to go to Nordstrom to look around, browse around, and pick up a few things. And then after Nordstrom, I need to go to Walmart or Target to get some more tape to wrap gifts, and then a few more other things for the house. Bae wants breakfast for dinner tonight. He has his football games, and he usually requests what he wants while he watches the game. So we're gonna do breakfast for dinner tonight. Maybe. I think that's what he said. He said breakfast. Yes, breakfast for dinner tonight. And then after I leave Walmart or Target, whichever one I decide to go to, I need to go to Sam's to get a few things from there, like paper napkins. What else did I need to get? Cereal. I need to get my little chicken bites that I like eating. And I think that's it, y'all. I want us to decorate some Christmas ornaments tonight. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it or not. Babe likes to watch his game and he likes to watch it undisturbed. So I don't know. We'll have to see. If it's not tonight, it's going to be tomorrow. I also wanted to go look at some more Christmas lights. But if it's not today, it may be tomorrow. But we'll have to see which day Bae is good with going. If he's gonna risk his game for that or not. So I am done getting my nails done. I'm actually at Nordstrom rack because I'm about to go in here and try to look for some more Christmas gifts. But look at how my nails turned out. My nail tech also gave me a Christmas gift. It's just some hand moisturizer. I can't even open it all. Hold on. Yeah, it's like a hand moisturizer sitting there. Like, yeah, I'm about to go in here to Nordstrom rack to look for a few like outfits for someone's Christmas gift. And then after that, I'm going to head over to Target or Walmart. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart because it's right there by Sam's Club. I need to go into Sam's to get like paper towels and stuff. So I may just head into Walmart to get like the little things. Bae said we were actually making baked chicken. I forgot, y'all. I don't know where breakfast came from, but we're gonna be eating baked chicken, and I may roast it though instead of baking it. And then we're gonna eat baked beans and some deviled eggs. So, well, he's gonna eat the deviled eggs. Y'all know I don't eat none. So I'm about to run in here to Nordstrom Rack and look around and see what they got. Hopefully the line is not long. They had actually parking spaces here. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't take as long as I think it will take. So I'm inside of Publix. I went to Walmart, but they did not have any shopping carts, so I just turned myself right back around. I'll go in the morning, but right now I'm looking for some hair shampoo. I'm gonna straighten my hair probably tomorrow, so I need some keratin shampoo. So this is what I need right here, the Keratin Smooth shampoo. And this is what helps my hair when I need to straighten it. So I got Bae 2 bags of the avocado oil potato chips. Always check your eggs. I need mayonnaise for the deviled eggs. It's buy one get one free, but we don't eat mayonnaise like that, so I feel like it'll just go bad if I get 2. So I'm gonna just stick with the 1. I know the expiration date is July, but I don't know. We don't eat mayonnaise for real, so I'm gonna just get this 1. And then I also got this barbecue sauce. This is the barbecue sauce Bae likes, and it's sugar free. Hey y'all, so right now I am getting ready. I'm getting ready to go to Walmart. I need to go to Walmart to get a few groceries. We're going to be cooking Christmas dinner at our house this year. Bae's cousin and his family will be coming over to our house this year, and we're going to be cooking. I think I'm gonna do fried chicken, dressing, mac and cheese, kind of like the Thanksgiving dinner, but not as much food. I'm about to go to Walmart now to get everything I need for that, and then whatever I don't get, I'll go either tomorrow or Tuesday to get like whatever Walmart doesn't have. Hopefully they have everything today and we can just make this a one trip shop, however you say it. We did go out earlier today. We were looking for matching pajamas so that we could take pictures, but we are just last minute people and we did not get as lucky as we thought we would. Yeah, I don't know. Next year I'm gonna have to do better with the early shopping. Y'all, it is so packed. Like I literally had to park all the way in the back here. Hopefully they have buggies in the inside. I really don't want to have to walk back out to have to grab a cart. And they do.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. blood roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times